Hello children, good morning all of you. Hope everybody are safe at home. So today we are going to discuss about 16th dated assignment 1 for class 9th. So come back to the model of assignment children. It is consisting 2 Romans. So first Roman is MCQs and second Roman is blanks. So let us join with me for the explanation of 9th class maths assignment 1. For first one of the first Roman, so the irrational number between 4 and 10. The irrational number between 4 and 10 is dash. Generally we have the formula children. The irrational number between A and B is root A into B. From that, therefore, the irrational number between 4 and 10 is root of 4 into 10. So root of 4 into 10 means root 40. So 40 can be 40 is also one of the answer. When 4 come out of the root, this is 2 root 10. So if you see the options, root 40 is also one of the option. It is given in option A, and 2 root 10 is also given in option B. So if you see the C option, both A and B. This is both A and B. So both we have answers. So our next question, the value of root 2 plus 2 whole square. The value of root 2 plus 2 whole square is equal to dash. So this is in the form of A plus B whole square children. We know very well A plus B whole square formula is A square plus B square plus 2AB. So from that, this is root 2 whole square and this is 2 square plus this is 2 into root 2 into 2. So square root getting cancelled, 2 square means 4. This is 2 to 4 into root 2. So 2 plus 4, 6 plus 4 root 2. 6 plus 4 root 2 is the value of root 2 plus 2 whole square. So it is given in first option children. It is given in first option. So next question, question number 3. Which of the following is not rational? Which is not rational? Not rational means children irrational. Not rational means irrational. So if you see the first option, root 4. Root 4 means 2. 2 means 2 by 1. It is rational. Okay. And B, root 41. Root 41 is a 41 is not perfect square. Okay, we cannot convert them into the form of P by Q. So it is irrational. Okay, that means not rational. And next one is root 441. 441 means it is 21. So this is 21 by 1. So it is okay rational. And both A and C also both A and C also wrong, because A wrong, C wrong, so D also wrong. So our answer is B. It is given, which is not rational means root it is given in root 41 is not rational, means irrational. This is about third question, children. And again our fourth question is with the same, which of the following is not rational, sorry, which of the following is irrational, which of the following is, they given that irrational. Okay children, so see the first option, 7.484848 and so on. Okay, it is rational, it is rational, we want irrational, so we can reject the first option. And 6.10 100 1000 like that, it is, as you are not able to fix the periodicity, it is irrational, it is irrational. We want irrational, so B option we can take it as correct. Okay, and coming back to C, this is 3.14378 143,758 143,758 and so on. It is also repeated again and again. Repeated means rational, we want irrational, so we can reject C option also. If you see the D option, this is 6.100 100 100 1 and so on. So this is 6.1 after 001 we can fix the periodicity. So as it is repeated, it is also rational. As we want irrational, we can reject the D also. So among the four options, B is the correct answer. And coming back to question number 5 children. What is question number 5? The rational number between 0.7 and 0.77. The rational number between 0.7 and 0.77. Okay, so if you see the irrational number children, the irrational number between A and B is root of A into B, root of A into B. So from that, this is root of 0.7 into 0.77. So this can be written as 7 into 0.1, and again this can be written as 7 into 0.11. So we can take it out 7 out, then this is 0.1 into 0.11. So this is 7 into root of 1 11 jar 11. So here 1, here 2, totally 3 digits are there before the decimal point, of course after the decimal point. So this is the answer. So it is there in the first option children, it is there in the first option. So second Roman, question number 6. What is the question number 6? Every real number need not be a rational number. Every real number need not be a rational number. Okay, is it true or false? This is the question children. See, first of all, we know that, okay, so Q union S becomes R. So if every Q union S is equal to R, if every real number is rational number, what about surds? So this is false, this is false. And because if every real number is rational number, surds are there, so this statement is wrong. And our next question, the value of root 7 up to 3 decimals, the value of root 7 up to 3 decimals. Okay, see, let us go through the long division, children. If you want 3 decimals, after decimal point keep 6 zeros, 3 pairs, 3 decimals, 3 pairs. Okay, 3 pairs of zeros. Now 2 2s are 4, subtract, then decimal point, transfer decimal point from here to here, then down the 2 digits at a time, then double the quotient. So if you take 7 times, it is more than 300. If you take 6 times, 6 6 are 36, 6 4 are 24 plus 3 27. Okay, then this is 24. Okay, again down the 2 zeros and again double the quotient. This is 52. Now if you are taking 52 after 5, then 5 into 525, 2500, but it is 2400. So if you take 4, so it is good. So 4 4s are 16, 1, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9, 4 5s are 20. So if you subtract 10 minus 6 4 and 9 minus 9 0, then this is 0, no? So this is 3. Now if you down the 2 digits here, okay, then again double the quotient, then this is 528. If you go through the 528 after 5 times, this is 5 5s are. If you take 6 times, 6 6 jar, 6 5s are 30 plus something, it is, if you take 6 times, this is 8, no? 6 6 jar 36, 48 plus 3, 6 2 jar 12 plus 5 17, 6 5 jar 30 plus 1. 31,000 is more than 30,000. So we cannot go 6 times, it is 5 times. So whatever we got up to, this is 2.645 up to 3 decimals. It is approximate value. It is approximate value of the root 7 up to 3 digits, children. Okay, so our next question is question number 8. Question number 8. The two irrational numbers between 2 and 3. The two irrational numbers between 2 and 3 are dash. Okay, so if you see now, the irrational number between A and B is, we know very well, this is root A into B. Therefore between A and B, between 2 and 3 is root of 2 into 3, that becomes root 6. That means between 2 and 3, root 6 is one of the irrational number. Okay, but we need 2 irrational numbers. Again try to find between these two. That means root of 2 into root 6, that becomes root of 2 root 6. Root of 2 root 6 is another irrational number between 2 and 3. If you want between these two, of course we can say root of 3 root 6. If you want between these two, we should apply. So between two rational numbers there are infinitely irrational numbers also there, infinitely rational numbers also there. Therefore rational numbers and irrational numbers are dense, property of density. Okay, children, so these two are irrational numbers between the given numbers. So our next question, question number 9. What is question number 9? Every irrational number is a real number. Every irrational number is a real number. Say true or false. See here, we know that Q union S is equal to R, means real numbers. From that, every rational number is a real number. Good. Every irrational number is also a real number. Good. Okay. Every irrational number is also a real number. Yes, it is true. Okay. But every real number is a rational number. Wrong. Every real number is a irrational number. Wrong. But every irrational number is also a real number. Every rational number is also a real number, because Q and S are subsets to set R. Subsets to set R. Okay, children. And our next question and last question for this Roman 10th one. So what is the 10th one, children? The irrational number between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. The irrational number between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7 are. Okay. See here, of course, if you apply the formula, you can say this is root of 1 by 5 into 2 by 7, so that becomes 2 by 35 is one of the answers, where the irrational number between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. And along with that, if you want to write in another form, actually children, 1 by 5, if you write them in the decimal representation, 0.2, and 2 by 7, if you want to write them in decimal form, 2 times 6, and then 7 8 jar, then 4 times, and then 7 5 jar 35, and again 5. So again 7 7 jar 49. So 1 10, 7 1 jar 7, then 3. This is 7 2 jar 14, 6, 7 8 jar 56, 4, 7 5 jar 35, 5, 7 7 jar 49, 1. Then again 7 4 jar 28, again 2. 2 comes, 2 there. Okay, that means again it is, if you keep 0 2 times, so 285714, it is 0.28515714 bar. Okay, children. So when you apply the normal division, we can do in such a way. So if you are trying to write, here it is between 0.20, between 0.28, here 0.2, okay, say for example 1 3 1 3 otherwise 2 3 4 3 5 4 3s. See, if you see, this is between these two, okay, and it is not possible to convert them as a periodicity. Okay, we cannot fix the periodicity. It is non-terminating, repeating, non-repeating, non-terminating, non-repeating decimal. So we cannot fix the periodicity. We cannot convert them into P by Q. So it is also one of the irrational number between the given. And similarly, if you want to write 0.27 0 7 00 7 000 7 4 zeros, it is also not possible to convert them into P by Q. So like that we can write infinitive number of irrational numbers are there, children, out of all. Just we are having some examples. Okay, so this is our explanation for 10th one. So thank you so much and have a nice day. Keep working.